Welcome to Mapcon Consulting Engineers, Survey, Engineering and Mapping Consultants for all infrastructure projects throughout India. A topographic survey locates all surface features of a property and depicts all natural features and elevations. In essence, it is a three-dimensional map of a three-dimensional property showing all natural and man-made features and improvements. Specifically, it shows their location, size, height and any changes in elevation. Total stations are the primary survey instrument used in mining surveying. A total station is used to record the absolute location of the tunnel walls, ceilings, backs, and floors as the drifts of an underground mine are driven. A total station is a combination of an electronic theodolite, an electronic distance measuring device, EDM, and a microprocessor with the memory unit. The original name for an instrument of this type was electronic tachymeter, but Hewlett-Packard introduced the name total station over 30 years ago, and the name immediately caught on with the profession. With these devices, one can determine angles and distances may be used to calculate the actual positions X, Y, and Z or nothing, easting and elevation of surveying points in absolute terms. An auto level is an optical instrument that can be used to establish or verify points on the same horizontal plane, and it has an internal mechanism that eliminates variation and inaccuracy from measurements. An automatic level, self-leveling level, or builder's auto level includes an internal compensator mechanism, a swinging prism, that, when set close to the level, automatically removes any remaining variation. This reduces the need to set the instrument base truly level, as with a dumpy level. Based on the observation points, an instrument position's direct leveling is divided into different types as follows: simple leveling, differential leveling, fly leveling. The main objectives of an auto leveler are as follows: to measure sliver thickness variation on a real-time basis, to alter the machine draft so that a high consistent sliver thickness continuously produced. Differential GPS, Global Positioning System, provides positional corrections to GPS signals and eliminates pseudo-range errors, signal delays, and distance discrepancies between a satellite and a GNSS receiver.
This correction enhances the location data gathered by GPS receivers. The Differential Global Positioning System (DGPS) service transmits correction signals to GPS navigation equipment on board vessels. The DGPS service improves the accuracy of your GPS position and the quality of the signal. A drone survey refers to the use of a drone, or unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, to capture aerial data with downward-facing sensors, such as RGB or multispectral cameras, and LiDAR payloads. Drone maps created using good quality drone equipment, careful flight planning, Commercial-grade GPS ground control points and commercial-grade processing software can potentially be accurate to around 2 to 3 centimeters horizontally and around 5 to 6 centimeters vertically. Drones use a number of sensors at different angles to create thousands of accurate data points, including georeferences, elevation points and colors. These data points can then be assimilated into a 3D point cloud to give the surveyor or client a unique perspective and view of the project. Drones now have many functions, ranging from monitoring climate change to carrying out search operations after natural disasters, photography, filming, and delivering goods. But their most well-known and controversial use is by the military for reconnaissance, surveillance, and targeted attacks. The amount of lift force depends on the angle of inclination of the aerofoil or propeller. Laser methodology. In contrast, laser scanners are non-contact devices that capture millions of discrete data points to measure an object or space using laser infrared technology that produces detailed 3D images in minutes. Primarily, it is used to develop 3D scans, or models, of building elevations, floor plans, tunnel profiling and motorway rail bridges, as well as mapping topography. For more information, please visit Mapcon Consulting Engineers, First Block, Rajajinagar.